Welcome to your modern urban oasis at Miraval, where privacy, security, and luxury come together in perfect harmony. Enjoy resort-style living, where tranquility meets ultimate convenience. The airy floor plan flows seamlessly to a private covered patio with lush greenery views, while separate living and dining areas can easily transform into your ideal home office. The open kitchen showcases sleek stainless steel appliances, bar seating, and modern touches like granite countertops, upgraded flooring, and Nest climate control, designed to make every moment effortless and stylish. At Miraval, you'll discover so much more. Secure parking, a fitness center, clubhouse, sparkling pool and spa, and green spaces perfect for pets and relaxation. Best of all, you're just steps away from Live Oak Park and Rivermark Village, with easy access to tech shuttles, major freeways, and leading companies like Oracle, Cisco, Intel, Nvidia, Broadcom, Amazon, and Samsung, plus the light rail. This is where comfort, convenience, and community come together. Experience the true essence of an urban sanctuary, right here at Miraval. NVIDIA, headquartered in Santa Clara, is the global leader in graphics and AI computing. From gaming to data centers and self-driving cars, NVIDIA powers the future of artificial intelligence and advanced visualization.
Apple, based in Cupertino, just minutes away, revolutionized technology with the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. At Apple Park, its futuristic headquarters, innovation meets design, shaping how billions of people live and connect.
Google, headquartered in nearby Mountain View, is a world's information engine. From search to YouTube, Gmail, and AI, Google drives the digital world forward from its iconic Googleplex campus. Meta, the parent of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is headquartered in Menlo Park. With a vision for the metaverse, Meta connects billions worldwide, shaping the way people share, communicate, and build communities.
Contact Irene Sue, your trusted luxury broker. Let's buy your dream home or sell your cherished one together. With Irene Sue, trust, expertise, and results lead to your success.